Hello everyone, welcome to our videos today. I'm going to introduce some of the new products on my right hand. This is a countertop commercial styling the containers. You can put the seasoning stuff or also you're cooking the drinks, you can put the topping inside too. So let me give the overall dimensions first. Entire unit is about 26 inches in the length. And the depth about 9 inches. Overall height is about 9 inches too. So as we can see, this unit it comes with a 4 container individually on the unit, and each of the container have lids and spoons. They all made by stainless steels. And for this container space, they are about 7 inches long, 6.5 inches wide, and 6 inches deep. And when we're looking inside of the units, we have some space at the bottoms. And if you put some a cold stuff for the seasoning tops, and you can just mount ice right here and put the container on it, on top of it to keep temperatures. This will be all the demonstration information about the products. And if you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.